on this episode of Ghost Talks, the abandoned railroad of Gray Road. Please enjoy. Thank you.
Ghost Talks.
Did I just hear you yell?
Do you hear like a metal noise? Metal?
Like a ting, ting, that kind of noise?
I think
Yeah.
I just heard a yell.
Hold on, hold on. It's like a metal.
Yeah.
Yo.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, that was a voice. That was a fucking voice.
Yes, it was. Yeah, go touch Phil.
Oh, that sounded like a girl.
Whoa! Did you see that?
No.
Yeah.
What'd you see?
Keep walking. Watch, right there.
Whoa, wait.
You know what a train light looks like when it's coming? Like the headlight?
Yeah.
That's exactly like it sounds.
I keep hearing voices over here.
You want to go the other way?
No, over here on this.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Somebody really wants to play.
He's rock. Rock. Be in the middle of the rock.